Here's a 70s classic at Unique Specialty and Classics, and it is a cruiser. 1976 Oldsmobile 98 LS 4-door hardtop. This car was actually in the same family up until the current owner purchased it. So it's an original mile car at 81,309 miles. 455 V8 underneath the hood. That's paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 400 to be exact. Power steering, power brakes, AC. Let's take a look at the chrome up front. Of course, the grille and the Oldsmobile rocket hood ornament. Now you can see filler panels intact up front. They do show their age a little bit. I noticed a little corrosion down that corner of the bumper. But overall, this is one of those cars. Get in, turn the key, have some fun. You know this one's going to go down the highway. It's a white exterior, maple or burgundy interior with the vinyl roof. Paint has a nice shine to it. It does show its age in a few spots here and there. Is it perfect? No. But overall, has a good look. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk. And those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. I love those Oldsmobile 98 wheel covers. White wall radials. Technician did note the tires could use some attention in the near future if you're going to put a lot of miles on it or take a long trip just due to age. Let's take a look down this passenger side. Again, you can see paint's really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Yes, you might have a little imperfection here, there, a touch-up, but overall, shows very well. White rock guards installed up front, and they've done their job. Those lower rockers, really free of any major corrosion, rust. Fender skirts still intact. So like I said, burgundy or maple interior. Front bench seat, and that is a power seat. We'll get around to the driver's side. Check out the interior a little bit closer. It's like new. Top of the dash, look at how good that looks. Mid-70s GM car, lots of times were cracked. This one, nice shape, as with the vinyl roof. Again, back here where they were really prone to start to rot or rust out, looks pretty good. Look at how nice and straight those panels are. Filler panels on the rear have been replaced. These are original down here, but the side ones have been replaced. Chrome on the rear bumper, looking pretty good. Once again, all the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. A few notes from the technician on this one. Brakes are 60% in the front, 70% in the rear. Does have full exhaust with catalytic converter. Oil change would be suggested in the near future, and the valve cover seep a little bit. Pretty common in a car that's driven. Let's take a look down this driver's side. Again, really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. If you like these 70s cruisers, land yacht, you'll hear them called many times. Go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. We want to show you a little spot down here. There's just kind of some surface rust. Not bad at all, considering this is a mid-70s vehicle. Appears to be well maintained and taken care of, but again, was with the same family for the majority of its life. Wanted to show you these rear seats. Look at this. Like I said, they're practically like new. Headliner. 70s GM vehicles lots of times started to sag. Not on this one, looking good. You gotta love the 4-door hardtop. No B-pillar. Little wear on this door panel up front. Power windows, power locks, and again, power seat. And speaking of seat, that's original upholstery. Look at the condition of that. Where's tilt column? AM, FM radio. I have had the radio working. There's your exact miles, 81,309. Let's fire up that 455, see how easy that started. This is just a fasten seatbelt light. Again, radio working, well, it seems like left side or left front speakers though. But radio does work. Again, that dash, like new, and the clock even works. You're gonna see the second spin around there. There they come. I think they're in about 10-second increments, if I remember right. 30 should be coming up. There it is. Very cool. 70s cool. Slip around behind this so you can hear it run. Stick around to the very end of this video. Jason's going to take it for a drive. See if he mentions anything about taking his couch down the highway. Listen to that. Smooth runner. Alright. I don't know if I can get this one handed or not. Ate my Wheaties this morning. Look at that. Foot spring's good shape. Underside of the hood. Pretty clean and tidy. There it is. Big boy. 455 V8 power steering, power brakes, AC, 4-barrel quadrajet. Battery does have a disconnect when it's in storage in between drives, and the battery's just a little over a year old, it looks like. Pretty stock, clean looking engine bay. You want a car that'd be fun to take down the highway, 70s classic that won't break the bank? Get out to your local roll-ins, cruise-in shows. 1976 Oldsmobile 98 LS 4-door hardtop. Original mile car. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1976 Oldsmobile 98. A very nice, very good condition car. Looking at the steering wheel, there's not a crack in the steering wheel. I don't see a crack in the dash. The seats look darn near perfect, and they're very comfortable. Bench seat in front and in rear. Wood grain on the dash as well for 1976 sake. A quiet, smooth running, luxurious 4-door car. When you put the windows down, you have no door pillar. You have that wide open space between the 4 doors. A very cool thing to have. The speedometer is working as it should. It's an automatic on the column, so it's easy to drive. Fuel gauge showing almost 3/4 of a tank of fuel. The blower motor works, the wipers also work. You got power windows all around. Power seat as well. Just testing that out, that works as well. The 70s, the late 70s, when a luxury car was really luxurious. You feel like, kind of like you're sitting in your living room. You can steer with one finger. It's quiet. Now the radio does work. I can hear it mainly playing out of one speaker in the dash. But it does work. Brakes nice and smoothly. Corners also, yes, very smoothly, luxuriously. When you put your foot down, it does kick down. The automatic transmission shifting as it should, nice and smooth, like everything else about this car. Take a look at all the pictures of this 76 Olds 98 at UniqueClassicCars.com.